Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be sharing how I whiten my teeth, and I'm actually going to go through the process with you guys right now and show you what I've been using. Now, this is a brand that just released a new formula this month, but I've already used them in the past and I really liked them a lot. They reached out, they wanted me to try their new formula, and I was like, yes, please. I would love to. And I like how the previous formula worked also, but I wanted to see how this one was and then I can review it for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be whitening my teeth with you guys on camera right now in real time, so let's get right to that so I can show you everything that's in the kit and how it works step by step. So the brand is HiSmile. So this comes with the shade card, of course, because you gotta check your teeth. You gotta see what shade you are before treatment and then compare with the after, because that's always fun. That's like my favorite part. By the time I get done, I'm like, oh, it actually worked, like especially on the side. I'll get to that, we'll talk more about that. But my problem areas, we all have kind of like certain areas that kind of either collect more stains than others, or they just kind of like our teeth just naturally want to be a little bit darker. So my problem areas are on the side. So when I'm using the shade card, I normally will check on the side because that's where I know it's going to be the darkest. But we'll talk more about that as we go. And then you also have the mouth guard. And you don't have to do anything to this. You don't have to boil it and shape it or do anything to it. You just plop it right in and it's ready to go. And it also comes with the LED light mouthpiece that you attach directly to your mouth guard. And there's a little front kind of lip that it just fits directly into, but that's how it pops on. And so you just plop it directly in your mouth, turn on the light. There's 5 lights that go across here, 5 LED lights. So this is a super bright one. Some of them, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but some only have 1 light and then they just use like little reflectors in there. I don't love that kind. I like this kind where it's super bright because I feel like it works better for the whitening. And then you have your whitening gel, and it comes with 3 syringes. I have 1 missing here because I'm already in treatment, so I already used that one up and I'm already on the second one. So let's go ahead and get whitening right now. Okay, I just want to show you guys the whitening gel really quick here. This tip here, you have to turn that and remove that cap. So it does come with a cap, which I really like that it's locked on and it doesn't explode off, which every other whitening kit I've used, it's just like a friction fit and the gel, whatever it's the peroxide in it or something, it explodes the cap off of there and then you end up with gel kind of dripping out and oozing out. This one locks it in place so you don't lose any of your whitening gel. Okay, when I whiten, what I like to do is take my retainers because they're perfectly fitted to my teeth already, and I use that to apply my gel into, and that's how I whiten my teeth. So I'm just gonna do that right now. And this gel, it's not drippy at all. It's pretty, like it stays in place really well. So they say that each syringe contains 2 applications, but I found that I was able to get away with using a lot less and stretching out my applications. So I'm actually able to get 4 out of each syringe. But you only have to do this treatment for 6 days. So that means then you have extra, which is fine because then every 2 weeks you can do 1 application and that helps you maintain your whitening results. Okay, let me pop these in. And then recap your syringe so that way the gel doesn't try to escape out of there. And then I just pop that back in the kit. I like to keep everything in the kit just because it's just handy to, keep everything organized in my bathroom. So I just pop that back in and then grab my LED light, put in your LED light, and it takes only 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes is up. I'm gonna go rinse my mouth. I'll be right back. So it's just 10 minutes a day for 6 days, and that's the treatment. And then to maintain your results, you just do 1 application every 2 weeks. Okay, I wanna show you guys the shade card here. I started out on number 4, and I'm already on number 2. and I have one more application still, so I'm not quite done. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow too, but that one finally lightened up, which is like my problem. I have one tooth there that's like a problem tooth, and I drink a lot of coffee and tea, and that one somehow always gets like more stain than the rest somehow. Anyway, that's it. So I went from 4 to 2 in 5 days, which is awesome. So after getting my teeth straightened, I'm gonna update you guys on that too, because I've been wanting to do that for a while. I took a picture during my teeth straightening process every week, and so I was gonna compile that into a video and do like a before and after, or like a whole transition in the video. It is crazy how much my teeth changed. But anyway, so ever since I was able to straighten my teeth and I was able to start using whitening kits again, I loved them. I love trying out whitening kits. So I'm really happy with the results so far. I think it worked really well on my problem areas of whitening, and especially with all the coffee and tea that I drink. That has definitely whitened my teeth like substantially, especially like on those side areas that I was having trouble with. But something else that is just important, especially for anyone out there who has sensitive teeth, especially if you're very sensitive to whitening, you know, different whitening kits, they can cause what's called zingers, and it's like zapping the nerve of your teeth. Like, that's how it feels. I have experienced that several times with different kits that I've used. Some are worse than others, but this one, nothing. Serious. There is no zingers, no sensitivity. I couldn't believe it. It was amazing that nothing happened to my teeth, because I have really sensitive teeth. I just wanted to mention that because I know how that can feel when you're trying to whiten your teeth, and sometimes it doesn't hit you right away. You can be like trying to go to sleep at night and all of a sudden you just get zapped, and it is so painful. And the worst that I ever experienced was when I had my teeth whitened through my dentist, and it would last for like a few days. You just never knew when a zinger was gonna like zap you, and it was like really painful and caused a lot of sensitivity. So that is like huge. That is a huge priority in my book when using any whitening kit, is that it does not cause sensitivity. Also, in their new formula, they have a remineralizing agent in there, along with pomegranate, chamomile, and an aloe also, and they have a couple of other key ingredients too. But they formulated it specifically with the sensitivity in mind and preventing that. So I'd say they absolutely nailed that. So I just wanted to mention that for anyone else out there who has sensitive teeth to whitening products. And before they sent me this kit, I was actually using their toothpaste, which is a day and night, and their toothpaste formulas are made to help maintain your teeth whitening results. So I have their day and night, which they have a charcoal, like one is normal, and then they have a charcoal in the other one, which helps with the whitening process also. And then their pink one, which is super fun. I'm kind of obsessed with that. It's like a super thick formula. It's like a really thick paste. They also have mouthwash that I have not tried yet, but I would get that sometime just because I know that I like their other products. So I'm gonna look more into what else they have. So I still have another treatment to do tomorrow, so I'm not gonna end this video quite yet. I'm gonna come back and see you guys in the next clip, which will be tomorrow. And I will let you guys know if anything changes, if I can think of anything else that you guys would need to know about this. Otherwise, so far so good, and I will see you guys tomorrow. So I just finished my last application, so today was the last day of treatment. I'm really happy with the results. My teeth are bright, white, sparkly. All my coffee stains are gone, which is awesome. So it definitely works, and there was no sensitivity whatsoever during the entire treatment. And I ended up using 1.5 syringes, so I have 1.5 syringes to go, and so that is gonna be put towards my maintenance. So after the initial treatment, then every 2 weeks you do 1 application to maintain your bright, white, sparkly smile. So it works. HiSmile, their new formula is awesome. I definitely would give that a thumbs up. I will use them again. I will get more of their refills and continue using it for my upkeep. So if you're looking for a good teeth whitener that does not sensitize your teeth and it actually gets you results, I will put their information below. I definitely recommend checking them out. So this is what I will be using. Oh, one thing I was gonna mention was price point wise, this is very comparable to exactly what I was using in the past. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And also, I wanna thank you guys for allowing me to do this video, to be able to accept an opportunity like this once in a while, to connect with a really awesome brand with good products. that is because of you guys. So just know that I recognize that, and I asked you guys how you felt, if it was okay if I did a video once in a while where I was able to connect and, you know, accept an opportunity once in a while to work with a really cool brand. So thank you guys for allowing me to do this video, and thank you to HiSmile for giving me the opportunity, because I'm really happy with how it all worked out. So, all right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I have another DIY that I have to go start editing right now. So I will see you in the next video. And again, I will have all their information in the description box below. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.